Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How was the first exam, children?
Ma'am, I will obtain full number.
You will get full number, full marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say, I will score
And
full marks. I will score full marks, okay?
I will score full marks.
Yes, very good.
And ma'am, the main thing is I have not put off my camera.
And nobody does that. Like everyone was with the camera on only.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but
Ma'am, half of the students were hiding themselves.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe they were not in proper dress. They maybe
No,
they were,
ma'am.
then
Ma'am, when the complaint sir was saying that open your camera, they were opening and then they were putting it off for cheating.
yes, ma'am, many students are there.
but then tell me, does this cheating takes us anywhere?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Always lend us
it's
in
a
proper
loss.
dress. It's a loss, exactly.
Ma'am, it's our own loss.
Exactly. It
Ma'am,
will
test
always
is
lend
for
us.
testing ourselves.
Yes.
That how we are studying.
Exactly. How much we have learned. See, no teacher is going to be benefited by what you are learning, right? You will only be
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
the benefit of that. So it is always good to be sincere and honest in everything. है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
ये कोई एचपी हमें ज्वाइन करना चाह रहा था. अब ये एचपी से कौन है? I don't know.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Don't get.
I have not taken, I have removed, but then I don't know who it was. हमें भी ऐसी हंसी आती है, जानते हैं?
Ma'am, they just means like disturb the whole decorum of class.
I know.
Ma'am, I think it is Pradyun.
No. HP.
Pradyun shares
He
its
never
name,
does that.
Pradyun Mishram.
He always comes with his name. हो सकता है, but I was little this thing. Not
Then you can stop the
Yes.
rename option and mute all. Then admit him.
G. I am sharing the screen with you. Give me a minute, okay?
Man, there are question answers.
I'll show you what we have to do.
Ma'am, today I got to know that there are total 46 students in our class.
How many?
46.
Seriously?
And ma'am, out
Yes,
of
ma'am.
46, only 8. Can you see the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
तो कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Let me check my register. Are there 46 students?
Yes, ma'am. They have joined today.
Ma'am, 43 or 46.
Just
Ma'am,
a second.
it is above 40, 100%.
See the list that I have with me of 9th B. It says 43 students.
Yes, ma'am.
It says 43
Yes,
because
for no, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
because one
ma'am,
will be
then also,
ma'am, one time Mr. also came, principal sir.
okay. Actually, there are total 42 students only. Reason being, there was one boy, Jatin Banga. He has taken TC. So again, the strength
Oh.
comes to 42 only. Okay.
And the reason is also because Pradyumsh has some problems and also the teacher, they have two devices.
They have
Two devices for joining.
maybe, quite
Yes.
possible. Okay. So I am sharing the screen. Let me know whether you have done this activity or not. Yes. आज ना तो किसी के नेटवर्क में इशू आया होगा टेस्ट के टाइम पे, ना ही किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम आई होगी. आराम से they must have given the exam. हाँ.
ma'am, Fatima Zahra was facing an issue.
She was उसका तो वो तो बेटा she always faces. उसका लास्ट ईयर भी था, थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम रहता था, है ना?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but in my phone there is being a problem. Ma'am, automatically, ma'am, the video stops. Then I have to put it on.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, because its tempered is being stinky or I don't know.
चलो. अच्छा, tell me, have you done this worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything you have
Ma'am,
done?
1 minute. No. No, ma'am. Ma'am, this is a separate worksheet.
हाँ.
Ma'am, those,
Oh, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
those 27 questions.
See, this
We
is for
have done the
geography.
French Revolution.
हाँ. So what we are going to do is
And
we will-
geography.
we will do this worksheet, right? You will
Okay, ma'am.
write. You will write geography worksheet.
Ma'am, can I do in rough?
Why?
Ma'am, because okay, ma'am. Ma'am, because I have not started the work yet, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be like.
Okay, but then keep it somewhere where you can have it for practice. I will be sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
I will be sharing this with you, right? Chalo. Shall we start it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye.
Yes, ma'am.
Only answers you will be writing. Questions I will share it with you in the class group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Start doing it. We have others in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have Abhinath in the class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we got to send the pic of the work we have done after the class.
After the class in the class group. Abhinath, are you
All
there?
right.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then do we have Ankur in the class? No. Akshat, no. Aryan Bhardwaj? Yes. Then who it is?
Ma'am, I'm present.
Yes, Aryan, I saw you. Then we have Divyansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Then do we have Ishan Johri?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Ishan Johri present.
Ishan Johri present. I have marked. Manojas also present. I have marked. Then Prachi Sharma.
Yes.
Pradyunsh. Prachi Pradyunsh.
Present, ma'am.
And Purvashi.
Present.
What do you want?
Ma'am, I am present. Ma'am, I
Ah,
was
I
on
have
mute.
marked. I have marked present. Beta.
Ma'am, for example, there is answer. Ma'am, can we just write the answer? Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we write only one word?
Yes, ma'am. I was asking this only. Thank you.
You can write one word, no problems. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many questions are there?
There are many questions. 17 questions are there. First, second, third done?
Ma'am, please good. I am not.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please scroll down. Okay.
Let's scroll.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that's enough. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
जी beta.
ma'am, in third question, we have to write the state or a states.
कह रहा है states through which the tropic of Cancer passes. Names.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 4, ma'am, 8 है पूरे.
बेटा हमें नहीं पता कितने हैं, आपको पता होगा, आपको सारे नाम लिखते हैं इसके अंदर, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please tell me what's the fourth question?
Fourth is, what is the time lag between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, please show the sixth. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, kindly show the 7th one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 7th, 8th, 9th.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I think it's a silly question, but ma'am, it is disturbing me from a long time.
क्या
Ma'am,
हुआ?
how do scientists know that the separation of the land mass was done due to the movement of tectonic plates?
Because beta, their study says this.
Okay, ma'am.
There are people, those who
Ma'am,
study,
please show
no.
ma'am fifth one.
Ma'am, please scroll it down.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, please scroll it down. Yes.
Ma'am, please show your question. Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
No, ma'am, 8th one.
Ma'am, actually, the ma'am 8th question is asking the state or the tip name.
कह रहा है सदर्न मोस्ट टिप ऑफ इंडियन मेनलैंड. इंडियन मेनलैंड का सदर्न मोस्ट टिप क्या है? पॉइंट जिसको हम बोलते हैं.
Oh.
Ma'am, please show question number 11. Ma'am, please show, ma'am, please, 13th question, please show 13th question, 13th. Ma'am, I think 13th question is not full. It's,
Ma'am, I wanna see the 10th.
10th.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Scroll it down. Ma'am, actually, I think ma'am, these are one word only, not
These are
for the
one word?
sentences.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, please
largest state,
scroll up.
ma'am, in India or the world?
हाँ.
Ma'am, largest state in India or the world?
बेटा स्टेट हम इंडिया एंड द साइज पढ़ रहे हैं. इंडिया इज लोकेशन एंड साइज पढ़ रहे हैं, तो किसके बारे में पूछेंगे हम आपसे?
Ma'am, India. Okay.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, 14th.
Which one? Which answer you want to see?
Ma'am, 14.
14th. Just a second.
Ma'am, please show the 13th also.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून. अंकुर इतना
हाँ?
लेट हो गए? पीडीएफ बना रहे थे.
No, ma'am, नेट चल नहीं रहा था ढंग से, ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा था.
चलो ठीक है, आई वॉज वंडरिंग कहाँ गया, अंकुर आया नहीं आज क्लास में।
Ma'am, please show 15th.
You are very fast.
I'm 16.
Ma'am, 17th.
Last 17th is the last. Now you all
Ma'am,
send your
nobody got
answers.
a 18.
All of you have to send your answers on the class group.
Ma'am, I don't know
Okay, ma'am.
16. Ma'am, I don't know answer number 2, 8th and 16th.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, जितना आता है उतना कर दीजिए।
Ma'am, these are like actually current affairs.
No, this is all from your chapter only.
No, ma'am, I'm just comparing, not telling.
Yes, your chapter 1 and chapter 2 are just like current affairs. The more you study, more you come to know, and the more.
Ma'am, can you explain question 6?
6 is asking you how many states and union territories are there in India. Numbers you have to write.
Numbers.
Yes.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
from the
Please send
starting,
questions
then
on
now I'm writing the
Ma'am, UT, I
names.
was reading
Why? It said it you have to. How many का मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? many तो counting में आता है ना.
कोई नहीं मैम, मैंने मैम लिख दिए मैम. Ma'am, please show
Ma'am,
the
please
14th
send question
question
on
now. Ma'am, that's why I wonder that I am so slow.
Ma'am, please show the 5th one.
5th one.
Yes. Ma'am, who is this?
Ma'am, just wait a ma'am, wait a minute. I want.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is what was happening in the exam. Scroll up, scroll down. Ma'am, we were
I know.
angry.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I know.
Ma'am,
वो कहते हैं ना क्या होता है वो सर्कस होता है सर्कस. It was like a circus. Up, down, up,
ma'am,
down.
ma'am, sir was frustrated and he was saying that now I will send it to WhatsApp.
No.
Ma'am, by the principal permissions, he has sent it.
Did it on the
Yes, sir.
WhatsApp?
So,
Really?
ma'am, but on the WhatsApp, we did transfer it
Ma'am.
to the other device and we did keep the video open and edit it from the
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, actually for keeping the video on, I have posted my test onto the another phone
अच्छा.
so
Ma'am,
that
there
the
was a way
video
of
must not
cheating,
get
but-
off. Ma'am, now please show the 14th one. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell the marks on the group.
Okay, you start sending your images.
Ma'am, some children were like joining late and they were showing show me question 1.
Prachi, no one did it.
Array 2 or 3 literature part, it was the first part. And there was a way of cheating, but
बेटा देखो ऐसे क्या कर मतलब is there any use of this? Tell.
Ma'am, please share
Yes, ma'am.
questions
I
on group.
was going to say this only.
Ma'am, Surbi ma'am, send the Google Drive link and ma'am, we can remove others PDF, ma'am, free also.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, those who have submitted in the drive, we can remove their PDFs, see their PDFs, कुछ भी कर सकते.
अच्छा मतलब इतना easy access है आप लोगों को उस पे?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but I have sent it on the ma'am's personal number for that.
Yes, ma'am, me too. But many have sent on Google Drive also.
Ma'am, the student can open and see all the answers. I got
Yes, ma'am.
and
मैं तो
shocked.
Google Drive पे मेरे से हुआ नहीं था.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, if some naughty child come and he can remove all.
हाँ बिल्कुल बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं बेटा. There are many क्या बोलते हैं उनको disturbing elements.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? चलिए, all answers done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only one is left. Ma'am, but done. Ma'am,
अरे
done.
प्रद्युम्श कह रहा है मैम I got disconnected. Please take me in.
मैम ग्रुप पे क्वेश्चन शेयर कर
Ma'am,
दीजिए.
please tell how much.
Admitted. चलो, we'll start from down. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have only one left. What is this? Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now we can discuss the answers.
Ma'am, please tell the second one, ma'am.
Okay. We'll start from last, 17th. Capital city of
Ma'am.
Chhattisgarh. Anybody in the class?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Raipur.
Raipur.
Very good, Raipur. Southernmost tip of Indian Union?
Indra Point. Indra Point.
Very good. Indira Point. Capital of UP?
Lucknow.
Ma'am, Lucknow.
Lucknow. Which
Tropic
parallel
of
of
Cancer.
latitude divides?
Longitude.
Tropic of Cancer.
Longitude.
Tropic of Cancer.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Tropic
Parallel
of
of
Cancer.
latitude that divides country into almost two equal
Ma'am,
halves.
it's Tropic of Cancer.
Tropic of Cancer, ma'am. Someone.
Yes,
Nobody
ma'am.
said
Tropic of
longitude.
Ma'am, I
Cancer.
read the question, huh?
It's a Tropic of Cancer. It's not let. It's not. It's,
Pradyumsh, I'll tell you.
Yes,
I'll tell
ma'am.
you.
The name of it is Tropic of Cancer. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, it's latitude, not longitude.
I'll tell you. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
we can-
ma'am.
This is a
Yes,
circle.
ma'am.
This is 0-degree equator,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Now, because
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is considered as a parallel, so the line that goes up, TOC, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn, they are considered as parallels of latitude. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
we have
Yes,
the,
ma'am.
then we have the
Ma'am, Arctic. Sorry.
Arctic
Uh,
Circle
Ma'am,
and the
Arctic
Antarctic.
Circle.
Ma'am,
Antarctic Circle.
Arctic, Antarctic.
And Antarctic.
हाँ. Now it is clear. ये parallels of latitudes होते हैं. Equator is of latitude. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. These are all parallels of latitudes. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
Ma'am, the correct answer is Tropic of Cancer, no?
अरे. हाँ, yes. It is Tropic of Cancer.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. ये क्या हो रहा है?
मैम
I'm
कभी
not-
कभी कुछ ज्यादा ही शॉक लग जाता है.
क्यों?
मैम वैसे टॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर कैसे गलत हो गया है? या तो मैं बेसिक्स भूल गया है.
नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है.
मैम नाउ दिस मैम 13.
बेटा एक मिनट रुको. कहाँ गई हमारी स्क्रीन? आ गई. ठीक है, अब आप आ जाओ 13th पे. States that have common borders with China.
4.
How many
4.
states?
मैम
Ma'am,
Four.
4. Ma'am, Jammu,
मैम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर,
Sikkim,
सिक्किम,
and
अरुणाचल प्रदेश, हिमाचल प्रदेश.
Are you sure Jammu and Kashmir is a state?
Sorry ma'am.
Ma'am, it's a union territory.
My
So-
union territory.
And moreover, Jammu and Kashmir now do not share borders as union territory also. It is Ladakh now.
So ma'am,
So we have
ma'am please
Himachal
tell the
Pradesh.
answer.
we have Himachal Pradesh, we have
Ma'am,
Uttarakhand,
Uttarakhand,
Ma'am,
Sikkim,
3.
and Arunachal
and
Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh. Only 4 states. Sorry, only 4 states.
Ma'am
Right?
please repeat.
Uttaranchal,
Yes ma'am.
then Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim. Right?
Okay ma'am.
AP, HP, Sikkim, and
UT.
Uttarakhand.
No, UK. Sorry, UK.
Okay.
Right? चलिए. Okay. Now, smallest state in size,
Goa,
Goa,
largest
Goa.
state in size.
Rajasthan,
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan,
Rajasthan.
India is dash largest country in size in world.
seven,
Very
Seven.
good.
7.
In which direction India is bound by
Northwest.
Ural Mountains? Huh?
Northwest.
Northwest,
Northwest,
बेटा northeast, northeast, north, northwest. ठीक है, ये
so
तीनों
ma'am
आएंगे.
we have to write, okay,
ठीक है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड नॉर्थ. नॉर्थ में तो है ही है, नॉर्थ के ईस्ट में भी है, नॉर्थ के वेस्ट में भी है. ठीक है, हिमालयन पूरी रेंज है ना बच्चे.
yes ma'am,
Okay, ma'am. Southern most tip of the Indian mainland?
ma'am Cape Comorin,
No. Southern most tip of the Indian mainland. Beta, you people have not shared your image. Which is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland? Anybody in the class? बताओ भाई. No one?
ma'am यही पता था.
कन्याकुमारी.
ma'am, I was thinking the same.
Okay.
तो मैम ये केप, मैम मैंने पढ़ा था मैम, केप कॉमरिन क्या है फिर?
ये कुछ मुझे याद तो आ रहा है पर ऐसे ध्यान नहीं है, अभी मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा बेटा ये. ठीक है, सदर्न
मैम
मोस्ट
मैम अभी देख लीजिए मैम प्लीज.
कन्याकुमारी. ठीक है,
ओके,
ठीक है. Two states which are part of Indian desert.
Ma'am,
राजस्थान एंड गुजरात.
Very good. Rajasthan and Gujarat.
गुजरात.
Then how many states and UTs are there in India?
And 28 states, 8 union
28
territories.
states and 8 union territories.
Yes,
And
28
28 and
states
8.
and 8 union territories. Very good. Suez Canal opened in?
And November 17, 1869.
Yes, 1869. Time lag
Right.
between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh?
Ma'am
2 hours.
2 minute difference. हाँ?
2 hours.
2 hours.
Very good. अगर 2 hours का डिफरेंस है तो कितने लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड्स होंगे इसके बीच में?
8.
No? Anybody in the class?
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am 24.
Plus 6.
30.
Yes.
मैम थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए.
हाँ वही अभी हम वही करते हैं. पहले आंसर सारे एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. ठीक है.
Yes ma'am.
States through which the Tropic of Cancer passes?
8.
कौन कौन से?
8 states.
मैम गुजरात, राजस्थान, आंध्र प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम.
Very good. Very good. Second one?
Ma'am, everyone spoke so fast I couldn't.
Ma'am 2 types of state, princely state and province state.
Yes, it was princely and the provinces, right? Very good.
Yes.
India lies in which hemisphere?
Northern.
Northern hemisphere.
Northern.
अब बेटा ये जो टाइम लैग है गुजरात और अरुणाचल में, देखो गुजरात जो है आपके एकदम एक्सट्रीम वेस्ट में है और अरुणाचल एक्सट्रीम ईस्ट में है. ठीक है, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट हमारे कंट्री के बीच में टोटल 30 लॉन्गिट्यूड आते हैं, 30 डिग्रीज ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड है. ठीक है.
Yes ma'am.
तो जब एक डिग्री ऑफ लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड को क्रॉस करने के लिए 4 मिनट्स लगते हैं और 30 उसको करेंगे तो कितने लगेंगे? 120 मिनट्स लगेंगे ना?
Yes ma'am.
तो 120 मिनट्स का मतलब क्या हुआ? 2 घंटे पूरे.
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
ठीक है, इसीलिए टाइम लैग जो है, टाइम गैप जो है गुजरात और अरुणाचल में 2 घंटे का है. अगर 4 बजे अरुणाचल में सन राइज होता है तो गुजरात में वो 6 बजे होता है. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
मैम बरेली में 7 above होता है.
वो जैसे अभी आजकल जो है सनराइज आपका जल्दी आपका हो जाता है ऐसे 6:15 के करीब.
Yes
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Today I just woke
Ma'am.
up at, ma'am, the sunrise was already done. Ma'am, I was like so angry.
Ma'am, it's like ma'am 5:15. I have also searched on Google.
Yes ma'am. 5:15.
समर्स में. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ 5:15. हाँ ठीक है, 5:15 के आसपास रोशनी होना शुरू हो जाती है और सन आपको दिखता है जब थोड़ा सा ऊपर आ जाता है. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Sunlight you can experience, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, do you feel alarm irritating?
No, not at all.
मैम मेरे को बहुत लगता है.
And I feel alarm is my friend, keeps telling me that it is the time for you to get up now.
मैम मैं तो उससे
Ma'am,
बंद करके
alarm
सो
is
जाता
my
हूँ.
enemy.
हाँ?
Ma'am, alarm is my enemy.
Ma'am,
No.
I just shut my alarm like this and just go to sleep.
But ठीक है, I understand. थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है कभी कभी. Fine. Now tell me one thing. Up till like you have your exam on 20th, right? Sorry, 20th you have your exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want me to do? You want me to revise every day, or shall we start with the? Shall we proceed on with the chapters now? Because unnecessarily we'll be wasting time.
Ma'am, we should proceed on with the chapters. Ma'am, before a day or two, you can take the revisions.
That will be
Yes,
better.
ma'am.
Even I
Yes,
feel.
ma'am.
Today, I took it because.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, before 1 or 2 days you can take revision, and that we will move on.
Right, and I already had a worksheet made for this class, so that is why I shared it with you all. Okay, any doubts that you have, you people can ask in the last 2 classes that we have before the UTs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's the UT. Okay. And now I think Monday we'll be having a class. So Monday we'll continue with the history chapter that we have. And I think drainage chapter is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Question answers are also over.
No, ma'am.
Question answers we have not done.
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
No, ma'am. Question answers are not done.
Okay, fine. So remind me on Monday. Monday first we'll do the question answers for geography, and then we'll carry on with the chapter explanation history. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, questions are done.
Questions are done. Pakka?
Yes, ma'am. My
Okay.
book is filled.
Okay, fine. Then it is okay. So we'll be continuing with the explanation of the chapter. Please practice your maps. Now, the other day I told you, you may get map-based questions. Like map-based questions कैसे हो गए? Let me tell you.
मैम ऐसे ही मैम जैसे इनमें है.
जैसे इसमें आया है ना कि लार्जेस्ट स्टेट,
Yes, ma'am.
स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट, तो जैसे जो चीज आपको क्वेश्चन के फॉर्म में, जैसे पहले मैप में पूछी गई है उसको हमने क्वेश्चन के फॉर्म में आई हैव गिवन यू, तो यू मे गेट बोथ वेज. आपको मैप में भी मार्क करने के लिए आ सकता है, आपको ऐसे लिखने के लिए भी आ सकता है. अगर लिखने के लिए आता है तो देन यू डोंट नीड अ मैप. एम आई क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, राइट. एनीथिंग एल्स दैट यू वांट टू आस्क क्लास?
Ma'am, the work we did now, we have to send it on the group.
Of course, that is why I told you, no, send it.
Okay.
You all can send so that I can check it.
Ma'am, I'll send it.
Okay. ठीक है. Good. I hope all these questions that are there, all are clear and understood. No doubts in these questions.
Yes, ma'am. All
No,
clear.
ma'am. No doubt.
Very good. All are clear, huh? It is spelling of Indira, INDIRA, Indira point.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, these are like daily life study, ma'am, the things which we study.
Exactly. These you need to learn because see, these are general information that you need to have.